Hi, Summer. I'm going to give you some feedback orally today because I snipped off the top of my finger. So it's my right hand, and typing is a little challenging for me at the moment. But I did want to make sure you got timely feedback. So it looks like, Corinne, you've got some good, a good lesson here. You're going to start with a short story. And it's funny, last week we did talk a little bit with Marianne about the you read, I read kind of thing. So I was really happy to see that you'll be doing some reading together. And I'm okay with you holding off on word work, especially if you kind of have other things you're working on. You're done with your chapter book, so that's great. And you said you might do an news ELA story, but we'll see, and that's totally on your timing. You mentioned in your reflection that timing is something that you're still working on. So I would say be prepared for it, and hopefully you'll get there. Short story, and yes, I like that you're using it for fluency, but then you'll also be using it for comprehension. Do you have a comprehension strategy that you want to be working on with Corinne? Maybe something that she needs a little support with? And iPad 7, I see that, and I will remember to bring iPad 7 with me. And I know you guys have been really working hard on that writing, which is great. In your reflection there, I did see that I know you had to kind of redo the iPad, so thank you for doing that, or starting again, I said. And yeah, timing is a tricky thing. So again, have a lot to be, make sure you're over prepared, but at the same time, know that you can adjust the timing as well. So fluency and comprehension are two good skills. You've got 3 more weeks, so I would say keep hammering at those. All right, good job.